Hello guys, welcome again to Unleashed YouTube channel. So in your last previous video I was on decreased triangle on left side, but now we are going to write a Python program for printing the inverted centered pyramid. We printed in your last video pyramid which is not inverted, but you're going to print inverted centered pyramid. Let's create a new file. So let's call it inverted centered pyramid. So this is a new file. So now what you're going to do is to loop from 5 down to 1. So let's start for I in the range to 5 0 minus 1. So we are going to print increasing space. So let's print space and times 5 minus I. So, and we need it to end new line. So end double quote. So let's print the decreasing stores. Print. Here we are going to use double quote star, double quote star times it is 2 times I minus 1. I think so. Let's print now. You see guys why it is not inverted. Let us check the issue. Let's check the issue. Let me run it again. Inverted pattern. So now it is inverted. So let us see. Let us see. 5 0 minus 1. Five minus, let's put here I. So now let's see the results. Because here we are printing the increasing the space, so that's why I have it use I. So now you see guys, if you're more interested, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.